Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download the CapCut Pro on PC. So here, if you already open the CapCut PC, what you need to do is just click on the Join Pro button. Here under your username, you'll see Join Pro. So to download it, you need to join the CapCut Pro. To enjoy all of the features and benefits, here you need to pay for a certain amount of money based on the plan that you choose. So in my country, there are three plans that you can choose. You can see, you can join the CapCut Pro monthly, annually, or you can also join it only for a month or a year. So here, for example, I want to join for only 1 month. So if you join on the CapCut Pro, you can unlock all of the Pro features and materials, and you also get 100 GB cloud space storage. And after that, you can just click on purchase. Okay, wait for it to load. So as you guys can see here, this is the amount that I need to pay for if I want to download the CapCut Pro. And you can use, or you can proceed the payment by using credit or debit card, and also e-money or e-wallet. So here, if you use card, you need to add your information details regarding to the card. And after that, when after you fill in the details, you can just click on purchase button and wait for the payment to go through, and you will be successfully joined the CapCut Pro. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and also click on a thanks. Bye.